want to do this with me?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to make the kale salad?
If you want me to massage it down with my hands,
Yeah.
my big strong hand.
I know you like doing hand stuff. Today we're making garlic butter pasta with a kale salad. Mm-hmm. I love me a quick and easy recipe.
I'm so excited to try this too.
For the garlic butter pasta, the first thing we're going to do is actually, what are we doing?
We frying the garlic first.
Oh yeah, the first thing we're going to do for the garlic butter pasta is fry the garlic. So I'm going to fill a little pot with some olive oil. Oops, shit. We're going to fill a pot with some olive oil and then throw some garlic cloves in here.
And then we're going to boil the noodles. Are we going to boil the noodles while we're doing that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops, shit.
And while all that's going on, I'll wait a second though before I start.
You can do that.
I want everything to be done at the same time.
No, you could do the kale salad.
We gonna refrigerate it?
Huh?
We gonna put it in the refrigerator?
I'm gonna eat some.
But
It'd be like that sometimes.
I know. What?
Why you say it like that?
I said it like what? What it sounded like? Sounded bad or something?
No.
I don't know what I just said.
Okay, never mind.
What I just said?
Nothing.
Yes, you was over there fantasizing about something?
No.
You sure?
Very much sure.
Okay.
Hey man, say man, I'm dropping on my kale.
Oh.
So for the kale salad, we have our rinsed and washed kale. We're gonna do some olive oil. We're gonna do about 1 to 2 tablespoons.
Eyeball
till the ancestors tell me to stop.
You can go some more. You can go a little more. Yeah.
That might be a little bit too much.
No, I don't think so. You said 2 tablespoons. That's probably 1.5.
Fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the garlic cloves in the oil. Now I be paying extra for pre-minced, pre-chopped, pre-peeled, whatever, because it saves me time. I know that, it also helps people with disabilities or whatnot, but this also helps a lazy nigga like me.
How many you gonna do?
You
gonna do like 12 of them?
Shit, he did a lot. So I'm gonna do a lot.
We're gonna have season here.
Okay.
Okay, that and what else?
Oh shit. Wait, seeds. Why didn't you just use the juicer?
Well, it's done now.
Okay.
Okay, go back. Should I just massage it down now?
Go ahead and add the salt, add the seasonings, the garlic, and nutritional yeast.
Salt, pepper.
Okay. This looks like a lot.
I love pepper. Pepper goes on everything.
I feel like this. He didn't say how much garlic, so
We wasn't gonna follow the measurements anyway.
So the ancestors tell me stop.
All right.
It looks like enough. I met someone new.
Then I just rub it down.
Last night and we kissed it, and I'm going back there tonight. Thank you. Going back there tonight, and you know it's all
Mm-hmm.
you have my love, and I gave you all my trust with you. Yeah. And get up in there, yeah, mixing around.
So messy.
You can.
That's what I'm doing.
Get up in there, wrist work, just. Ooh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Stay right there. Oh fuck.
Come on, man. That's like half a bowl right there.
That is.
So I'm still waiting for the water to boil for the spaghetti. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up this basil. And I'm gonna let this butter sit out in the sun because
we need it to whip.
I need it whipped. Cool whip. And of course it's vegan butter. Mm-hmm. You love using this little knife.
Yeah. I don't know why I got a thing for little stuff. I use a little knife. I use a little spoon when I eat cereal.
This is why I have food scissors to cut food. Oh, I'm cutting up basil, by the way. I don't think I said that.
That garlic smell good. So good, motherfucker.
Don't it? Ow.
You cut yourself?
I just cut my fingernail.
Slow down, baby.
Do another lemon. Little ass. I can't do this.
It wasn't on purpose.
The garlic is fried and the water is boiled. So I'm going to add the spaghetti to the water, cook it till al dente, and then we're going to get this garlic out the way. We're going to take, oh wait, I don't even know what it looks like. We're going to take our fried garlic, nice and brown like me, and add it to the blender.
And then you need the butter, right?
Yep. We're going to add our...
The whole shits.
Not the entire thing, but you know, a good bit. Add some parsley.
That's basil.
I mean basil, yeah. So we're gonna do salt, pepper. We can add the tomato paste to this. I'm also gonna add the Parmesan, our vegan Parmesan. To make sure we have enough. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, this shit busting.
You saw that?
Mm-hmm.
Almost.
Oh my god, this is good. Oh fuck. We just came up with something. Cause we about to make so much shit with this.
Oh, and then okay, so we got the basil. We're gonna top it off with more basil when we like mix it with the pasta.
Mm-hmm.
And then all we need now is just to cut up the toppings for the salad.
Also the onion, tomato.
Yeah, onion, tomato, cucumber. You could just move that to a little corner.
Mm-hmm.
You're blame for what we couldn't. Fuck. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay. Here we go.
Trying to pick up that hot ass shit.
Yeah. Oh shit, still not ready. Still not ready. Okay, it's al dente.
Hmm.
Can you dump this?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the pasta water gone.
As much as you can. You can leave a little bit in there.
Want to switch it?
Shit. That's still hot.
Oh yeah, I thought you wanted it hot.
That's fine. That's fine.
Oh.
Because I turned it off anyway.
Oh. Oh.
I feel like this should be enough.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. It look like it's enough.
Let's add the sauce that we have right now.
That should be good. Scoop what you're about to scoop up.
Oh, I was gonna scoop everything in here and just add more noodles if we needed to. Very saucy. This is our pasta. I'm gonna add more basil.
What's the avocado for?
The salad. Mm-hmm. I like using tongs to mix my pasta around. I said I like using tongs to mix the pasta around.
It does feel cool, doesn't it? I said that do feel cool, doesn't it? It just make more sense, to be honest. The Italians be on or something.
Well, I get, this, but I feel it's more stimulating to just use tongs. Hell yeah. Damn. That's a lot more than I wanted in my plate. Yeah. Take some of that out.
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
I want to put olives and feta in mine.
Olives? My bad. Never mind.
I don't know why you acting like you ain't never heard of an olive before. Hell yeah. Olive supremacy. You want feta?
Nah.
It's not like it's, dairy or nothing.
That is fact.
Damn. These feta crumbles ain't even.
Crumble.
They so big.
I'm so excited to try this shit. This is what we've been waiting for. Are you ready?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try this pasta first, though. Mm.
You can turn it off. It's gonna get nasty. This shit is amazing. This is amazing.